Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to archive chats on Telegram desktop. Archiving chats is a great way to keep your chat list clean and organized without deleting any conversations. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. From the chat list on the left side, find the chat that you want to archive. Now right-click on that chat. A menu will appear with several options. Click on the Archive option. As soon as you click Archive, the chat will be moved out of your main chat list and placed inside the Archived Chats folder. You can find this folder at the top of your chat list. Click on Archived Chats to open it. Here you'll see all the chats that you have archived. Your messages, media, files, and chat history remain completely safe. Archiving simply hides the chat from your main list until you need it again. If you want to move a chat back to your main chat list, open the Archived Chats folder, click on the chat and select Unarchive. The conversation will immediately return to your regular chat list. This feature is useful for hiding inactive conversations, organizing work and personal chats, and reducing clutter on the main screen. That's how you can archive chats on Telegram desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Telegram desktop guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.